Hi guys and welcome. I'm Janine and you're in my kitchen. Today isn't really a recipe. It's my new way of eating. You may like some of the ideas in this recipe. You may like one or all. I don't know, but I'm going to share it with you. Watch me put together a meal from things I've just cooked around the house and what I have and how I put a bowl together. First and foremost, I have rice over here. So let me get a little bit of that on my plate because I'm going to be adding all different things. And I had to cook this fresh just now for Millie Bean to have her food, and it's piping hot. So we're going to start with that. Over here I have, let me put my glasses on. I have my sauce that I made, my green goddess. We have that. We have an avocado. We have some lentils that are already cooked and seasoned. We have some chickpeas that I drained and rinsed. I baked a piece of salmon in the air fryer. And if you've never seen these before, I want to share them with you because they're wonderful and they're healthier. They have 3 times the antioxidants of regular potatoes or sweet potatoes. They're purple potatoes. They're not easy to find. I went to you get them most likely in a package. Let me show you these beauties. They literally are purple. They're piping hot. So I'm just going to have a few slices of this. This is all hot. Okay. Gonna mix that in. We're gonna mix some chickpeas over here. We're gonna put some salmon on the side. I'm only gonna put half in. Okay, separate it from the skin. I'm gonna get my avocado open. We'll take these off a minute. And this is a new, healthier way for me to eat, meaning I'm watching my carbs. I'm not overdoing anything too much, but I'm not depriving myself either. Okay, some avocado is good fat. And I like all these foods. For you, this is a bowl concept of eating any way you like. You may like the avocado, you may like the salmon, but you don't like the purple potatoes or some other item I have here. But I wanted to share this video because some people are interested and I'm coming across different foods I'm learning about. For example, the purple potatoes. Yesterday, I made purple rice, which I'm not a fan of. Gotta admit, not a fan of the purple rice. Now, I love my green goddess. That's going to go good on the salmon and the avocado. So put a nice, healthy dollop of that in the corner. And this is my protein bowl. It's early. I eat brunch, meaning I combine breakfast and lunch together. That's my first meal of the day. Excuse me. I try not to eat before noon. And here is my power bowl. Let me tip the camera a little bit so that you can see better. Okay. And here's all the wonderful components. I have salmon, white rice, purple potatoes, avocado, green goddess to dip in the fish and the avocado. I have white rice, lentils that are seasoned with cumin and tomato. They're cooked already, and cooked chickpeas. And that is my protein bowl. That's just an idea, one of the ways you could see the things I'm changing and incorporating into my diet. I hope you like this, but when I come back, I'll have another recipe. I'm still going to make pastas. I'm just going to make healthier ones. And I'm still going to eat meats and all of that because I'm doing a higher protein diet, which is good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it.